The YouTube video that is titled 20 Lessons from the Millionaire Fastlane That Changed My Finances, that was produced by the YouTube channel Gabe Bult, is 12 minutes and 41 seconds in duration. Let's break it down and just look at the key points. Gabe Bult delves into how the book has profoundly influenced his mindset and approach to personal finance and wealth building. The video emphasizes the concept of real wealth, challenging conventional wisdom in personal finance. It suggests that traditional advice may not lead to early wealth accumulation. Significant focus is placed on building a money tree. This is income that pays you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It represents a source of income that is not directly tied to the time you spend working. The idea is that whether you are sleeping, at the gym, on vacation, or engaged in any other activity, you are still making money. The journey to wealth is portrayed as a process, not a singular event. The example of Patrick Mahomes' $450 million deal is used to illustrate the culmination of consistent effort over time. Gabe says that life's financial paths are categorized into 3 lanes: the sidewalk, the slow lane, and the fast lane. The sidewalk represents financial instability. The slow lane embodies traditional financial wisdom, and the fast lane is where significant financial success and freedom are achieved. The video stresses the importance of planning and avoiding impulsive purchases to transition from the sidewalk or slow lane to the fast lane. It also discusses the affording of expensive items and how observing wealthy individuals' spending habits should not influence your personal financial decisions. Gabe critiques the conventional slow lane approach to wealth, such as traditional job and retirement saving methods, and emphasizes personal responsibility for financial growth. The 52 Rule and 7007 Trade. These concepts highlight the traditional work-life balance and propose an alternative approach to achieving financial freedom. He then talks about the value of time. This is a critical reflection on how people value their time. He uses an example of people waiting for hours for a free $6 bucket of chicken. This underlines the importance of valuing time over minor monetary gains. He then looks at frugality with money versus time. Gabe discusses the balance between being frugal with money and valuing one's time, emphasizing the latter as the most important. He moves on to taking action for financial improvement. Here he encourages viewers to take initiative and not follow the crowd, focusing on solving problems and providing value. To achieve real financial success, the video suggests ways to positively impact 1 million people, such as through entertainment, problem solving, and also education. Please remember that, much like the original video, I will not give you the fine details, but if there were 1 or 2 topics that interested you, now is the time to research those in depth. Seek out experts in that field. Do not look for generic how to make money fast videos. Feel free to tell me which YouTube gurus you like, but you wish would just get to the point and stop stretching out their explanations and including personal anecdotes to garner credibility. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.